Let me show you how to add a funny sound or a funny video at the middle of your video or at the end of your video like this here on TikTok. So let's go inside and let me show you. Please support me by hitting the plus sign and follow me for more content like this. Let's go inside. Okay, now click at the plus sign and go to gallery and select the video that you want to use. And click here and then play the video that and see where you want to pause.
Open your mind before your mouth.
Okay, now we pause it. You click on the video to highlight it and then click on split. Now split, so click on the plus sign to add a funny sound or the funny video. It's from here, so let me add it and then you click confirm to confirm. Okay, now let's play and see.
Sometimes open your mind before your mouth. Do you see how it looks nice?
Do you see how it looks nice? So this is how you can add a funny sound or a funny video at the end of your video or at the middle of your video. Please support me by hitting the plus sign and follow me for more content like this.